Hey, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy if you guys are new here, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what's inside my purse, so if you guys are interested to see what's inside my purse, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is shoot, huge, my purse. It is a Daisy Rose bag. It is inspired by Louis Vuitton Neverfull purse. I got this from Walmart's website, and I'm pretty sure it's exclusive to Walmart. I know Amazon used to sell them, but they don't anymore. I think Walmart kind of bought it off them, if I am correct. So yeah, it's just a Louis Vuitton dupe, but the thing that I like about this is that it doesn't try to be exactly like them. It's just inspired by them, so they don't have like the little fake logos here or anything. I just have always loved how a Louis Vuitton looks and like their size, because they fit so much, and I am a hoarder when it comes to things being in my purse. Like, I just like being ready, I guess, or prepared if I ever need anything. So this bag is perfect for that, and it does not break the bank. I could probably never afford a purse like a Louis Vuitton Neverfull purse, or maybe one day, but for now I am good with this bag. So I'm just going to show you guys what's inside. So my first video actually was what's inside my diaper bag here on YouTube. That was my very first video ever. If you haven't seen it, check it out. So I thought I'd go back to that, and I always like seeing what's inside of people's purses. So I thought I'd show you guys what's inside my purse. So if you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. So let's just start with the outside. So the first thing I have is this hand sanitizer that I got from Bath & Body Works, and this is the same one that was inside of my diaper bag, or outside of my diaper bag. And then the case I also got from there as well. And then I got this little scarf as well. So pretty, and I got that from Dollar General, where I get everything from. I feel like they have so many cute things from there, so I'm always getting stuff from there. So that is the only thing that I have on the outside now. And I have my phone. I got the case from Amazon. I just really like pink and grays and stuff like that, so you're gonna be seeing a lot of pink in here. And then I didn't even show you. There's the inside. It is packed. Like, this purse holds a lot. Okay, like, I could live in this bag. Next thing I have is my keys. It's just a little keychain that says love, and then my work key, my house key, and then the mail key. And then I have this little light box that says Nancy, and it just kind of lights up. And then just my card key. So I have that on there. Sometimes I do clip it out on the outside. That way it's just easier access, or sometimes I take it off and just throw it in there. It kind of depends on my mood. Little hairbrush, like that. I always need them, usually for Valeria. Her hair gets super like tangled easily and messed up easily, so I always have to keep brushing her hair. So that's what I have that for, or sometimes myself. And then the next thing I have in here is my camera case. Now usually my camera is in here since I'm using it. I can't show you, but this is my case. Again, it's pink, and then it does come with the matching my camera in there just in case I ever need to film something, or I think of something I can capture a moment, whatever. And then I do have my tripod, and I got this one from Amazon. I had one from Best Buy when I got my laptop, and that one fell and broke, and this is not durable. And this one is the same concept, just much heavier, much sturdier. I have this little clutch that came with the purse, and it actually clips on there, but I took it off because I just felt like it kept getting in the way when I was trying to like grab things out. But that is the little clutch that it came with, and let's see what I have in there. And then inside I have a pen, some panty liners, I have some hair ties. These are the ones that don't crease, and I got a pack of 3 from Dollar General for $1, and they just come with cute little different colors. I don't know where the other one is. And then I have Smack lip gloss in nude, and then I have some headphones, and then I hate having like dirty itchy ears, so I do always carry some cotton swabs with me. Have some hoop earrings, some hair ties. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm a hoarder when it comes to stuff. Like, the bigger purse I have, it's like worse for me because I'm going to pack more stuff in there. And then I just have my extra Apple wristbands to switch it out if I ever want to. And I don't. I like the one I'm wearing just because it feels like it's scrunching. It's more comfortable to me, and I don't gotta be like messing with that distance. So that's what's inside my wristlet. And then I just have a face mask to take to work with me. That one I haven't used yet. And then I do have my other face mask I'm using everywhere. Of this 50-cent coupon for Dairy Queen for the girls so they can get a free ice cream. Well, it's actually free. I don't know why it's free. I don't know. But it's a free ice cream like with chili bars and Starkist. Then I have this. It's actually a foldable straw. It just pops out. It's bendable. We've been places where they don't give us straws, especially for the girls, and they like using straws, so I carried this with me. And then it comes with the little cleaner. I'm not going to take it out because it's really hard. It's really annoying to put back in, but it just looks like a little AirPod case. It came with a pack of 3 in 3 different colors, so I just like how convenient to do this. Oh, my wallet, and this wallet is also from Daisy Rose. It looks like this in the back, and then it has the 2 zippers. So sometimes if I don't want to take my whole purse with me, what I do is I put my keys in like that, and then I just hold it like that and take it with me to go. And then on one side I'll put, so on this side I'll put my phone, and then on this side I have cash. And I love this wallet because it has so many slots for my cards. I'm gonna close that quick, but it has so many slots for your cards, and I have a lot of cards, so this is perfect. And it's so big, and it's not bulky, like it's not that bulky. So I got that from Walmart as well, and it matches so perfectly. It's like a planner cover, and this is where I keep. I'm telling you guys, I have a lot of things. But inside of it, I do have my appointment book for the salon. I do my own appointments, obviously, because I rent my own chair. That's what I have inside of it. And then I have my square reader in here to check people out with their cards. And then I did order business cards, but they're coming in, so I will be putting my business cards in here. And then this is where I put the square reader. My glasses that I should be wearing, but I don't. Glasses, my phone charger, and my Apple Watch charger. I have my SD card holder, is that what it's called? I hold my cards. Again, pink. What that looks like. Oh, I have my pen that I use for my appointments. And they might change in this empty moisture surge container. I was like, this jar is nice and cute. Like, I can still use them. I'm gonna throw it away. So I just put my change in there. Burt's Bees tinted lip balm. I do use this, but when I have nails, what I do to take the girls out of the car seat, because we all know it's kind of hard as moms when you have long nails and you can't get them out. I use this end and I push down like on the corner of the button thingy, and it helps get them out. So, life hack for you guys, I use my Burt's Bees Ice Cubes Arctic Grape Icebreaker. So many stuff. Oh, and then I have Violet's little face mask. Look how tiny it is. I have her little face mask, another pen, and then another blog. I need to clean this out, y'all. This is bad. Just a random piece of paper. I have another pouch. And this was also, I think this was also in my diaper bag video. And then I just have a scrunchie. And then I have both of my girls' eczema creams in here, and they both use these. So the first one I have that I do recommend if your child has eczema is the Van Apply Ointment Skin Protectant for dry skincare, and I got this off Amazon. You can tell like we've right there. So I like that. And then the next one I have is Aquaphor Advanced Therapy Ointment Body Spray. And we actually got 3 of these from Walmart grocery pickup, and we fell in love. And I like it because it comes out of the spray, but the moment it hits you, it's like nice and thick once you like rub it out, if that makes sense. So I like it because it's nice and thick and it helps them, and both the girls seem to enjoy that. Bobby pins that I was supposed to leave at work, but I didn't. I guess I forgot. What the hell? I guess my daughter's putting a little Lego in there. And then I have this vanilla body. It's like a body spray. It cost me $1 Dollar General, but I don't taste it. It smells really good. And then I have a lash glue that I've actually never tried out, but it's in here just in case. And this is by Kiss. I need to try that out. I have it there just in case. I usually use the duo one. I love that one. And then I have my chapstick, and this is a sweet watermelon. And then I have headphones, mascara, a pen. I'm not going to show you guys. I don't feel like it. A brand new SD card. I have in the side pockets. I have another ponytail. And then I have this little pouch. And inside of it I have this little case. And inside I put my fake lashes in there. Let's say I'm in the car and we're on our way home from being somewhere out all day. I just take them off on the way home once I know I'm going home. So let me just fix them pretty quick. Just kind of, that's what the inside looks like. And then it has the mirror. It's nice and cute. Throw that back in there. And then I have this little spoolie that I use to lay my edges down. And some glasses cleaner. Because we all wear glasses in this house and they're always getting messed up. And then I have another chapstick, and this is Peaches and Cream. That's actually not mine. And then I have this cart freshener. It's Yankee Candle, and I just leave this in here to let my purse smell good. I don't know, I'm weird. It was in my car, but then I took it out. I'm like, well, I'm gonna put this in my purse so that it smells better. I have another chapstick, and then I have this perfume by, I got it as a sample from Sephora, and this is, I don't know how you pronounce it, fur. It smells really good. I love getting samples from Sephora. Oh. And then Valeria's tooth fell out the other day, so I have it. Tooth fairy came to the house and took it out. Here. Oh, and then I got my nude sticks, lip stick, whatever it is. And then I have this case inside of my this organizer to keep everything organized, and I got this off Amazon as well. And that is everything that I have in my purse, and then this is what it looks like without that. So then inside of the purse you can clasp it together if you wanted to close. Obviously it's not going to close all the way, but to help it close. And then on the side it has these, but it does not do a good job, you guys, at keeping it tight. Let me show you guys. Like on the Neverfull, I've seen like it keeps it nice and tight, but it's kind of like flimsy and it's gonna slide down, and it doesn't really hold it nicely. But if you wanted it closed, that's what it would look like. But I have too many things in there where it's not gonna stay like that. But yeah, that's all I have inside of my Daisy Rose bag. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it, or if I'm the only one that has this many things inside of their purse. I'm telling you guys, I pack unnecessary shit for myself all the time. Like when you go traveling with me, I carry way too many things that I don't even have a need for, but I kind of want it in there for me, for just in case. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye! Love you!